Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And this is my valve setup for my irrigation out here on my bluegrass. And I got my bluegrass cut down to 1/2 inch, getting ready to prepare to do my leveling on it. And I'm going to need water after I do all that, because I'm going to be pushing the blue really hard. And best of my knowledge, last fall of the year, I come out here, turned the irrigation on, and I could have swore I saw water bubbling out of the ground. This was right before I winterized it, and a few days before I winterized it, we had like a super cold day. And there's something in me, there's a gut feeling in me that tells me I have a pipe that has burst up under the ground right here. So I'm gonna go and not take any chances. I'm gonna dig this up, go in, turn my power on to my well, turn the well on, and see if anything's actually leaking. If it is, we'll fix it, and I'll show you how to do all that. So let me get all this dug up, and then we'll come back and see what happens. All right, so I've got it dug up. I'm gonna run up here to the house, turn the power on to the well, then we'll open my valve, let some water come out and find the leak and get it fixed. All right, so here's the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Huh. I just knew this was going to have a leak somewhere, but I mean, I don't see one. So I guess that's a good thing. Well, that's that's strange. I know I had water bubbling up here last year in the fall, and well, I dug all this up, turned, it's got pressure on the system right now. Matter of fact, this valve isn't open. That's filling up all the lines in the yard. Let that pressurize. And I didn't dig this section up. It could be right here. All right, that's pressurized right there. Huh. Well, I guess you get lucky every now and then, right? Let's turn this one on. That goes to that zone out by the road. Still, no leaks. Holy cow. Well, sorry about that. I thought this was going to be a fix the broken pipe video, so I guess this one was a flop. I really was expecting to have a leak right here, but it's just not there. So I don't know what happened, or unless I was seeing things last year or what. But looks good to me. So I'm sorry to waste your time on this, but I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch, and I guess I'll check you later. And if it starts leaking, we'll fix it then. Now, one thing I am going to do, I'm going to leave it pressurized and leave this open the rest of today, just to be extra safe, to see if I can find some water somewhere, and hope it's not leaking.